How to create long AI cartoon videos for free step-by-step guide. Now, animated cartoon videos are some of the most engaging content on YouTube. And in 2026, you can create them completely with AI and completely for free. Not 10-second clips, long-form cartoon videos. Now, 5, 10, 15 minutes of videos with actual story, consistent characters, and professional quality animation. This tutorial actually shows you the complete free workflow from concept to published video. Now, the free tools that we are using are first of all going to be ChatGPT, of course. We have Canva, okay? Then we have CapCut, and then we have 11 Labs, and we have Suno AI. So yeah, those are the tools. You have ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, 11 Labs, and Suno AI. Now, every tool is completely free, or if not completely free, they're going to have free tiers. So let's start off. Now, cartoon videos are going to need a clear concept. Characters, setting, a problem or journey, and a resolution. Now, for long form success on YouTube, educational cartoon series perform exceptionally well. History explained through animated characters, science concepts with, consistent avatars, language learning through cartoon scenarios, all of these need to be pretty consistent. Now, you can open Claude and prompt it. So let's come here and write a 10-minute educational cartoon video script about, let's go with Dragon Tales. Create 2 main cartoon character names and personalities that will carry the series. Write the script in a conversational exchange format between the characters where they explore the topic together. Include scene descriptions in brackets. Make it engaging for an 8 to 12-year-old audience. Target approximately 1,500 words for a 10-minute video at a comfortable cartoon dialogue pace. So you write that in and it goes straight ahead. Now Claude is going to produce a full script with character dialogue and scene descriptions. Now this is going to be your production roadmap. So right down here, as you can see, the whole script is as it is written. Pretty incredible. It writes it immediately. Dragon Tales Academy, the secret truth about dragons, opening scenes with proper conversations. Now, once you've gone ahead and done that, you have a proper script. So you're going to open Canva. And over here in the Elements library, you can search for any cartoon character for yourself. All right. So right here, first of all, go into a blank design. So I'm just going to keep it, let's keep it a standard portrait size, shall we? Now, once you come over here, what's going to happen is it's going to be loading things up. And as I said, in the elements, simply search for any type of cartoon character that you want to go with. Pretty forward and pretty straight, consisting. So click over into elements. And right about here, we're going to write cartoon character. Once you write that in, here you can see all the graphics have started showing up. So just find the character of your choice, that you think is going to work well for you. So let's say in my case, the character I want to go with, let's go with something a little slightly more, cartoon related or a little cooler. Let's go with this guy. Okay. So this guy is going to be our cartoon character. Now, Canva has a substantial collection of cartoon character illustrations in various styles. Now, for your main characters, you're going to find illustrations that match the personality script type. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to go with this guy. So once you've done that, what you can do is you can set proper backgrounds for the character as well. So for now, in my case, I'm just gonna make it green, and there we have it. Now for each scene described in your script, you're gonna create a corresponding Canva slide. So for everything that's going on over here is going to be happening over here. Each scene slide is going to contain your background illustration, the relevant character illustration positioned appropriately, and any text elements. Now, Canva's animation feature is going to add basic motion to elements as well, but use it sparingly, okay? Now, finally, once you have generated all of this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to 11 Labs. Now, for a cartoon, distinct character voice is essential. Now, you're going to find two clearly different voices for your main characters. Perhaps one that is quite energetic and, higher paced for an adventurous character. So you can simply go over to exploring voices. You can go with male. All right. Then let's go with middle-aged. And once we have, pretty much added the filtrations for that, you can, clear yourself out of that. And over here, you can start choosing what type of, main look you want. So you can see over here, I have different types of voices. So let's say I'm going to go over to characters, right? And this is where they're going to give us the actual, fun stuff, the fun voices. Now here we have this voice, right? So you can actually go ahead and get a preview of it. Now, this type of voice, is something that I'd like to go with. So if you like a voice, just hit the plus icon and it adds it to your library. All right. So once it has been added, you can simply go over to your studio right here. And we have Rob, right? Tough and calloused. So simply come over here, start a blank project, or you can simply come over to text to speech on the bottom left over here. Add in your voice. So obviously our voice is Rob right here. And this is where you can start writing in your script and generating your audio files. So once you have your audio files and your proper scenes, you're going to start assembling them inside of CapCut or any, different types of integrational platforms. And Suno can be used for any type of background music that you can add onto your videos. So once you've done that, assemble it all in your editor and you're good to go. And that is how you can create free long-form cartoon videos which are production ready and genuinely achievable.
So to sum it all up, that is basically the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video till the end, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn bell notifications on. It will really help me out a lot. And if there is anything that you need to know, something regarding this video or any question, do let me know down in the comments below and I will answer it to you straight away. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.